Alright guys, so today's video is how to change smart bracelet language. So I'm going to change it using the smartphone. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Now, the first thing to do here is to make sure your smart bracelet is connected to your smartphone. So let's launch our FitPro app and it will come up. Alright, as you can see, synchronized dial is complete. That means it is connected, as you can see right on the smart bracelet too. Okay, now let's go to the set option and you can confirm here by pressing the find option here. As you can see, it is ringing. Good. The next thing to do is to change the language of your smartphone. Alright, so let's go to the settings and I'm going to scroll all the way down to language. Yours may be a little bit different depending on the smartphone that you are using. So I'm using a Samsung S10 smartphone here. So this is how it looks like. Now you go to your language settings and you select the language that you want. In this case, I'll be picking the French or Francais. So I will edit this and make French the #1 language here. Then I'll go back and this will automatically change everything that I have here. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the FitPro app. So I will launch it once again. As you can see, the FitPro app just closed itself to launch it again by opening. So once you tap it, it's going to open up like this. As you can see, appareil déconnecté. That means the FitPro app has just changed to the French language. Let's skip this advert. As you can see, everything is now in French. Okay, so let's come here and pick our smart bracelet and let's see if it has changed. Okay, we still have English on our smart bracelet here. So the next thing I would say you should do here is to go to this escape, that is this home page, and select this button up here, which is this refresh button. So when you tap it, you are going to see that it's going to synchronize the app to the phone once again, and you can now check if it has changed the smart bracelet language. Now you can see it has changed. Okay, we have measure. If you tap more, you are going to see the sports, la information, la musique, envelope plus. That means it has changed the language of our smart bracelet. Now if you want to change it back to the language that it was before, that is English, you have to just go to the settings once again. So let's go to our settings once again and I'm going to go to the language and pick English as my first language. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to take it back and back once again, and my phone is going to change itself to English language. Now I will relaunch this FitPro app. As you can see, it's closed once again. That means it wants to reboot itself and want to work based on the language that we have on the smartphone. So let's select that. As you can see, FitPro device disconnected. So it's going to link up. Now let's check. It's still in French on the smart bracelet. So once it is up, confirm that it is connected, then go back to the home button and select the refresh button up here. Now synchronized data is complete. You can now check your smart bracelet and you are going to see it in English once again, as you can see here: sports, messages, music, and so on. So that is how to change your smart bracelet language. In case you want to change it to other languages, just make sure the language is supported by the smart bracelet. Once it is supported, it is going to work fine for you. I remember Babatunde Motayo. See you on the next one. Peace.